one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see an old abandoned building, a building that has been left for a long time. The paint is peeling from the ceiling, the walls look dilapidated, in need of repair. And yet the Lord says, I am the Lord who restores. I am the Lord who heals, the Lord who makes new. And when I restore, I make things better than they've ever been before. I'm bringing restoration to you. I'm bringing my healing love to you. I'm making all things new. Commit all into my hands. Give it to me, allowing me to do the things which only I can do, allowing me to cleanse and to heal, to restore and to make new. Commit all into my hands, for I am the Lord who is taking care of you. I am the Lord who is restoring that which has been broken, the Lord who is bringing my healing love. Rejoice in me, rejoice in all that I'm bringing forth, for I make all new. I make all things beautiful again. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.